Welcome, welcome. Follow us. This is a unit that we have just renovated completely. That is my cell phone. I can't answer that right now. Guys, here what we did is we sanded this railing down and then we stained it in espresso color. If you follow us right this way, this is the living room. Up top there is a loft area. If you follow us into the kitchen, these cabinets used to be brown and the kitchen was a little bit outdated. So what we did is we painted everything white, we replaced the hardware, and now it looks pretty good. Replaced the refrigerator. Simple things like that is the detail that matters. That will then allow us to put this property on the market and sell it for market value. Follow us into the bathroom. Same thing here. These cabinets used to be brown at one point. We just replaced the hardware, sprayed down the shower, got a new toilet. Simple things will truly bring the value of the property up. I'll meet you in the master bedroom. And this is the master bedroom. Fresh coat of paint, clean the carpets, replace the toilet, new cabinets, simple things like that. And this is how we make our money. Guys, if you need help renovating a property, reach out to us. My name is Jonathan Mendez. You can find us at aventiusa.com. Follow us on Instagram. And let's make some money together, man.